Hi and welcome to the unboxing of Your Creative Studio November box. This is supposedly a Christmas themed box. Your Creative Studio has subscription boxes for vintage stationery supplies. So let us dive in here. And this is especially exciting because at the end of the unboxing, I'm going to draw the winners of two of these boxes that Amanda, who is the curator of this box, kindly has sponsored as a giveaway prize, which is very, very generous. So thank you once again, Amanda, if you are watching this. So two lucky viewers will get one of these. They already sold out, so Amanda has saved them for us. Ooh, there's a nice red for Christmassy, I guess. So this is the card that Amanda makes with each box. I will link her link to order these, of course, below. So maybe you can still get a December box when you see this. I don't know. Yeah, so this says, thank you for your support. It's almost Christmas time again. Wishing you a magical and blissful holiday. Merry Christmas. Sincerely, Amanda. So this is really cute. So let's see what is in here. Actually, I'm going to take this out of the box. It's just, whoops, that is just easier. Yeah, and one more thing, I will not be including a journal with me in this video because I'm planning on using these supplies for my December dailies. So that will be in another, or in a few more videos. So the first thing that already is jumping at me is this cute little glassine bag, which looks like it's handmade with a cute butterfly on it. Let's see if I can open this without tearing. Nope. The butterfly tore. Oh, and it's an adorable little charm with a snowflake. How cute is that? Love it, love it, love it. So that is our first item. Then what already came out is this gorgeous Christmas washi tape. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. So let me try to unwrap this. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is perfect for December daily. Look at these beautiful, huge reefs. Oh my goodness. And here it starts to repeat. So that's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let's unwrap this. Wow, there's so much stuff. This is so cool. So Amanda makes a sticker sheet every month. And let's see what this one is. Okay, so these are like stickers that you can maybe put on presents. Very cute. Can totally use this in my junk journal as well, as I'm sure I will. Really nice. So where to start? We have these little wooden, I guess, chipboard pieces. Those are cute. So that's what they look like. So there's 5 different motifs and they have little holes in them so you can attach them either to presents or to tags or maybe onto a paper clip or something. Very cute. Next, what do we do? Let's take this one. I'm guessing this is a washi. No, it's a stamp. Oh my goodness. I love stamps, and it's a wooden stamp. I can only get it out. Look, very cute. So I will try that out at the end, see what that looks like. So I'm guessing this should be a stamp as well. Yeah, it says Merry Christmas. Okay, so we'll be trying those out at the end. What is this? Choose to shine. Oh, it's a washi tape. I thought it was a little box. That's really cute. And I like that not all the items are completely Christmassy, so I can use this after December as well. So that's cool. I really like this one. And oh, you guys, you know what this is? Haha, I've been eyeing these for a while. So those are to tear your washies. This is, let's see, how does this work? So it's this little clip. Let me see if I can figure out how to make this work. Okay, so you have your washi. And I guess you just clip it in there. And then, and then it pulls out nicely like this. And then, how do you tear it? You just tear it. Okay. And I guess it makes it easier also finding the end. But it comes off really nicely like this. I do like this. Okay. That is very interesting. And I can just use that to roll it up again. That's cool. Huh. Very, very interesting. All right. Ooh, retro sticky notes. These are very cool. Look at this awesome typewriter. Love. Ha! So this is the front. Ah, how cute is that? Look. So it just pulls out like this and you have your sticky notes. That is so cool. Love that. Nice. So here we have from Mo Card. I really like the Mo Card brand. And what are these? Oh, some beautiful Avril yarn here. Already see a Merry Christmas. Oh, this is so adorable. So we'll go in my collection. And this is, so these are vellum sheets. Okay, so they're just single vellum sheets. And let me do this so that you can see them. So here, I guess you can see it better. So it says Merry Christmas. Very cute. I'm not sure how many, but there's quite a few. I'll have to think about how to use these. Oh, there's another design as well. Oh, that's two. Oh, it's like a postcard. Oh, that's cute. Look, that's really nice. Okay, so let's see if there's more than these two designs. Oh, there's another one. So that's also cute and very versatile. Very sweet. So 3 different designs, I guess. Does it say how many? No. Oh, yeah, 30 pieces. That's quite a lot. Those are very cute. Okay, let's move this out of the way. So we have a memo block, travel notebook sheets, 30 sheets. This one is travel. So we've had a few of these in the past. I really like these. And this one is about travel and has a really cute locomotive in the front. Let's go travel. So there's date, weather, destination, travel information, and you can write. That's really cute. I love these pads. Awesome. Then, oh, there's a really nice stamp set. Merry Christmas, Girls and Frogs. So that's apparently the company, Squirrels and Frogs. Oh, these are beautiful. So this is what they look like. Wow. I love this guy. That's awesome. So maybe we'll try stamping these in the end as well. And finally, Amanda always includes some beautiful scrapbook papers. I think these are 6 by 6. So let me just show you the different motives. So you have this pretty one. Love that. And this one. There's this one. And I believe these are not the same for every box. I think she varies these a little bit. This is really cute too. And this very versatile one. Oh, these are great for December dailies. And by the way, I'm so glad so many of you seem to be wanting to participate in December daily this year. That is so amazing. And if you didn't see it, I did link a prompt list for December daily from Maud Himstra in my video last time, but I will link it again in this video because I love her prompt list. It's not as generic as some of the other ones, and I love that. So yeah, go check that out if you still need inspiration for December daily. I will definitely be using at least some of those prompts. So let's go ahead and try some of these stamps. Let's start out with these 2 wooden stamps. I'm using my Ranger Archival ink in black, jet black, for these. It looks like you're gonna have to wipe the edges because otherwise you're gonna get these edges imprinted, so hang on. That's the only downside with some of these wooden stamps. Okay, let's give this a try. Yep, that comes out very nicely. There you go. Very detailed. So then we try this one. Yep, very nice. Look. Came out really well. Okay, let's move on to the clear ones. Wow, beautiful. Just beautiful. Wow. I love this guy, look. He's amazing. Look how detailed. Just gorgeous. Very nice. These are really nice quality. They come out very nicely. And that's the rest. Really cute. Okay, so that's it for the box. Thank you again, Amanda. This is wonderful. So I would say let's move on to what you're all waiting for. Let's see who the winners are for the 3 prizes of my 10K giveaway. So I used a random comment picker. I will link that below because it's very easy to use. So let's see. First winner is Crafty Coco. So I know this is Corinne. And congratulations, Corinne. You won one of the 2 November boxes from your creative studio. Congratulations. Woo! So second box goes to Dana Desmond. So I can also see here who is a subscriber. So I see she's a subscriber and the comment is about December Daily. So perfect. I will actually be commenting on this and similar comments in my December Daily kickoff video on Sunday. So now the main prize goes unfortunately not to Phyllis. Phyllis, I'm so sorry, but looking at your comment, you didn't comment about December Daily. I'm so sorry. I appreciate your comment, but you do not get the main prize, which is the lovely journal. So one more time, Jan S, congratulations. You have a comment that includes the December Daily question. Congratulations, you won the International Journal. That is awesome. So please, Jan, contact me at 49dragonflies@gmail.com. It's also in the description box, my email. And send me your address so I can send you the lovely journal. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much for your comments. I got so many beautiful comments. You are amazing. This community is just over the top. Love you all and see you in the next video. Bye.